Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook sauteed zucchini with sardines. Okay, so we need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and then the sardines, the zucchini, and then the garlic, tomatoes, spring onions, and onions. Okay, we're gonna saute the garlic. The garlic, the onions, and then the tomatoes and spring onions. Okay guys, look at the thing guys. It's done. Guys, it's super yummy. Now it's the time for the zucchini. Simmer guys for how many minutes? Until the zucchini is cooked. Okay, so we're gonna cover first. And that's our sauteed zucchini with sardines. Is done guys. Look at that one. The sardines. I love sardines. Okay, taste guys. That's yummy. What? Done. Okay, so that's our sauteed zucchini with sardines is done. Okay guys, so that's our sauteed zucchini with sardines is done. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye.